Oh, hello. Come in. Welcome to my crib. Okay, so obviously, as you would have seen, we are staying at the Premier Inn at the North Terminal at Gatwick Airport. We've selected one of the Premier Plus rooms, which, yeah, was a tenner extra basically, so why wouldn't you? So, I'm going to show you around. Yeah, we're really happy with it so far, so I'll show you why. Okay, so first things first, you come through the front door, you've got your selection of coat hooks, which is always good. So this is sort of the first time I've seen everything too. So you've got some wardrobe space here, ironing board, obviously, and I think some spare pillows. So I will need those because I sleep with two. Don't know about Ash, we'll see. He sometimes obviously flips between one and two, so yeah, let's start with the bathroom. In here you've got some lovely, let me come out so you can see, you've got some gorgeous mood lighting, love that. I don't know if you can see properly, should I turn the lights on? There we go, nice and bright. You've got the lovely rainfall shower, which is amazing, and you've got the body wash and shampoo here already, and a lovely hand wash, and that's Ballison Harding, and I love that, so yeah, really pleased with that one. Nice shower actually, double one, really love this. So yeah, pretty self-explanatory really, a bathroom, isn't it? But yeah, love the subtle changes they've made in this room. You've got obviously your vanity mirror, place to do your makeup, your hair, whatever you want to do. And then next to the vanity mirror you've got obviously this here, which is a nice little comfortable bench just to take a seat, and a nice large telly, which isn't something you always get in a hotel room. So yeah, I mean, not that I'll be watching much telly because I'm probably going to be looking over the runway. Because yeah, our view is stunning. Absolutely love that. So as you can see, either side of the bed you've got plug sockets and USB ports, which is perfect because I always find in a hotel room we struggle for those, don't we? You're always fighting for the charger. Sorry, I've drawn the curtains as the lighting, obviously with the window, it's such a hot day today, so the sun is beaming in, which is lovely, but I want you guys to really get the feel of this room. So yeah, let's continue. Nice side tables, obviously, and an armchair, so plenty of seating in here, plus obviously this lovely Super King bed, which looks bloody comfortable. And I always get a perfect night's sleep in a Premier Inn. Gorgeous artwork. It actually says who it's by. Sam Smith, strangely enough, was done in 2017. You've got your aircon, which is perfect, or heating in the winter. And something extra that comes with these rooms is this workspace. So yeah, I can see me later doing a bit of my editing for you guys and looking out over the gorgeous view that we've got, which I'll show you in a moment. So yeah, got this, which is lovely. Watch the telly at the same time. And of course, you get a coffee machine in this room as well, and some lovely little chockies. I think Ash has already claimed the butterscotch one, so I guess I'll have the milk, which is fine. And yeah, some coffee pods as well. So that's a nice touch. You do get as well your mini fridge, and they've given us some bottles of water. And we have brought a couple of our own drinks as well for this evening. And yeah, lovely little desk lamp, and a menu for tonight's dinner and tomorrow's brekkie. So yeah, they give you, as you check in, you would have seen in the other video, you've got your dinner voucher here, so I guess you just give that as you go into dinner, which we'll find out very shortly. So yeah, I guess the only thing really now is to try out the bed and show you the view. So yeah, let's go for the view, I think. and show you how, oh, wow, okay, that's bright. But this is the view. Absolutely amazing. We did email the hotel and requested this, actually, which they've kindly given us, which is amazing. We can see our car from here as well. And of course the runway in the distance. So yeah, perfect view for this evening. Love it. So I think now it's time to kick off my shoes, enjoy the evening, and get a silent night's sleep. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, yeah, love this. Really, really love this. So yeah, I guess that's the room, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love it. So I guess all that is to do now is get a silent night's sleep, because we've got a manic day tomorrow. We will be travelling to Sharm el Sheikh, Egypt, and I can't wait because you're all coming along with us. So yeah, get out, let me sleep, and I will see you all in the morning. Thanks for watching. Put that on there.